Hi guys, let's begin our video about process heating system with me, Nurhasmiza binti Razali. Okay, nowadays, many process manufacturing industry relies on several types of heaters that are utilized for various purposes. But of course, for different products, you will have a different component and principles. But they do have similarities, whereas the heat energy is transferred to the material has to be treated. We have two different methods, which are direct method, where heat is generated within the material itself. Indirect method, which heat is transferred from other source to material through convection, radiation, conduction, or a combination of both. In most of the discussed methodologies, an enclosure is used for isolating the system and the environment from each other. The main aim behind this is to restrict radiation within the boundaries of the system, confine the combustion of different products, and control the surrounding atmosphere. Here, we provide the general diagram on how process heat system works.
Hi, I'm Lao Chen. Now I would like to explain about the combustion of fuel-based heater. In these heaters, heat is produced by burning solids, liquids, or gases, and is then transferred through the material directly or indirectly. The most common substances are used as fuel are oil, coal, natural gas, wood chips, charcoal, ethanol, and cellulose. Combustion is enhanced by adding oxygen or air to the material, which is either directly heated or indirectly heated. In direct method, there is contact between the combustion gas and the material, while in the indirect method, the material is kept in confined vessel to keep it separate from the combustion gases. There are several applications of fuel-based heaters such as gas stoves and beds, which are utilized in almost every industrial sector.
Hello everyone, my name is Chua Kelly and I will talk about the electric process heater. In electric process heater, the material is heated either by electric current or by electromagnetic field in two different ways. The first way is by direct heating and the second is by indirect heating. In direct heating, the material is heated by three different techniques which are transmitting a current, inducing a current, or by eddy current. In the indirect heating, it also utilizes the three different techniques, but it is conducted on a separate heating element where the produced energy is transferred to the material.
Okay, my name is Siti Noranis Karnisa binti Saleh and I will continue about heat recovery and exchange systems. If the manufacturing facilities require an end-use specific heating application, then energy is transferred from one process to another through a heat exchanger. Another example of similar system is of an isothermic chemical reaction that produces energy which is then used to heat another process.
Hello there, I'm Gor Kayan. I'll be talking about boiler and steam generators. Most of the energy used in process manufacturing facilities is generated through boilers, which comprise of a complicated heating system. As such, there are a lot of factors involved that can decrease the inefficiency, which is why measures must be taken to improve performance. A boiler produces steam by fuel combustion. This approach has several advantages such as the low toxicity, easy transportation, high heat societies, and lower costs when compared to other systems. A thermal fluid system is a common example of a steam generator. So that's all from us. Thank you and goodbye.
Created using Powtoon.